Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health. Children, today I will be taking up literature. So please open your literature books, and in that we will be reading a poem and then I will be explaining you the poem. So please open your books. Yes, the name of the poem is These Gentle Giants. It's a very beautiful small poem about whom let's read. Before that, with the help of the picture, we come to know that this poem is related to elephants because they have shown us picture of elephants. So these gentle giants, these means they have shown you the picture. Gentle means nice, kind. Giants means very big animals or very big, anything very big. So I will first read the poem for you, then I will explain you. These gentle giants, these friends of man, please give them all the space you can to play and bath and simply roam in this their ancient land and home, and may their trumpet call be known to one and all, to you and me, unshackled free. And the poet here is Ruskin Bond. Now, children, by reading a poem, we come to know that this poem is about elephants. What the poet has written line by I will explain you now. These gentle giants means you can see in the picture these are represented as elephants. Gentle, I told you, very calm, cool, nice. Giants, very big. These friends of man, they are the friends of human beings. Please give them all the space you can. Here, see, very important thing. The poet here is requesting us to give the space to the animals. Means nowadays you also know and I also know that we have become too materialistic. Means for our benefits we are cutting the greenery, we are cutting the forests just to build up big malls, multi-story buildings and so on, because of which animals are losing their natural habitat, natural home. So here the poet is requesting us, please give these animals proper space. Means don't cut the forest, let the animals live to play and bath and simply roam. Let them play, let them take bath, let them roam freely here and there. And this basically they do in the forest because it's their natural home. In this their ancient land and home. See, in this their ancient land and home. Ancient land means their very old land, means from very old times elephants live there, and which is that place forests. And may their trumpet call be known. And may their trumpet call be known means may let everybody know that they live here. When they make this trumpet sound, it should go through far off places so that they are enjoying themselves. To one and all, to you and me, unshackled, free means let them be free. Don't destroy their home. Don't be so materialistic, because a day will come when we will be having no wild animals with you, not only elephants, and the wildlife will be spoiled, and because of which all the human cycle will be destroyed, and our earth will not be a proper space to live in. So it's a humble request through this poem from the poet to please not cut the trees and forest so that the animals can enjoy their own life as we all are enjoying. Every one of us enjoy life same way animals also want to enjoy their life. Let them enjoy life. Don't spoil or take away their life for just few things, materialistic things. I hope children you understood the poem. Now we will be doing the back exercises of this poem, and tomorrow we will do the notebook work. Fill in the blanks with the words from the poem. Elephants are dash of human beings, friends. Elephants need space to dash and dash, play, bath and roam. This land is their home because they have lived here since dash time, ancient time. Dash is the call of an elephant, trumpet. Elephants should be allowed to roam around dash and free, unshackled. Pick out the now exercise B. Pick out the two pairs of rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words which end with the same sound, as you all know. Write one more rhyming word for your own. Roam, home, foam. Man, can, fan. Now match the animals with the sounds they make. Bears growl, geese honk, bats stretch. So screech, not stretch, screech. Monkeys chatter, parrots squawk. With this, I end the poem. And children, when you complete these three exercises, send me for checking. And tomorrow we will do the notebook. With this, I end my today's work. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless.